Students, in this video we will learn how to evaluate how to add and how to subtract an algebraic expression. You can see this question. Here these terms are written. So first of all we will collect the like terms together. So we have collected the x together, we have collected y together, and we have collected constants together, and then further we will solve it. This will be 4x 14y and plus 11. Similarly here you can see all the terms are like terms. So we will just we can do two things here. First is to collect all the negative terms and solve it, and take positive terms together and solve it, or you can solve by taking two terms together. So here we have taken two terms, so it will be 11, and again here we have taken two terms, so it will be 2x, and our answer will be 9x square. Similarly, this expression is given, so we will just collect the like terms together. Here you can see we have taken all the like terms together, and then after we have solved, so by taking the like terms together, this will be cancelled among themselves, and whatever we will get we will solve. So here we got 2x square y, here we will get plus 5x square y, it will be x y square, and here it will be 2 cube, 1 y cube plus another y cube, so we will get 2 cube y cube. The next question you can see subtraction. In question subtraction, from is given, so we will write the second expression first, and then we will write this first one with minus sign outside, and we'll put a bracket for whole of the expression. So we will write this first expression, and then second expression we will change the sign. We have changed the sign. This will be minus, this will be plus, this will be minus, and this will be minus, and then we will solve it by taking the like terms together. So we have taken a together, b together, c together, and d together. We got 4a, 2b, and minus 4d by solving it. So it's easy. There are some more question given in the book. As you can see in question number 10, the sides of the triangle are given. You have to find its perimeter. So in this question we will just add all the expressions together. So you can just see question number 10. X square is given, minus 3xy is given, and then 8 is given. This is the first trinomial which is given. Then the second trinomial is given as 4x square plus 5xy minus 3, then plus 6 minus 6 3x square, and then 4xy. We will collect all the like terms. X square will be written with x square, then xy will be written with xy, and constants will be written with constant. We will solve. This will be 5x square minus 3x square, so it will be 2x square. This will be 5 plus 4 9, and 9 minus 3 will be 6xy, and this will be 8 plus 6 is 14, minus 3 will be equal to plus 11. So this is our answer. In this question we have to find perimeter, and perimeter means addition of boundaries. So we will add all the boundary and we will get our answer. Student, in this exercise I will give you some of the solved questions so that you can understand it better, and rest of the questions you can practice in your revision copy. I'll tell you which question you have to do in your classwork and revision copy. Then comes the multiplication part. Multiplication part is also very easy. Simply you have to multiply one term with the other term. It is given in the first question, 8ab square by minus 4a cube b 4. Now here what we will do, first of all we will multiply the constant together and we will write like this. Then we will multiply the variables together and we will put the minus sign here. We have put the multiplication sign in between. Here it will be 8 4s are 32. We will get minus and we will collect the like terms together again. We will write here minus 32 a power 5 and b power 6. Here bases are same, power will be added, so it will be 2 plus 3 5 and 2 plus 4 6. Student, don't do mistake of multiplying the powers. Don't multiply the powers. Powers will not be multiplied, it will only be added, it won't be multiplied. So we will multiply only the constant terms. We will multiply only the constant, that is number, but we will not multiply power. Power, we will add the power of the same literals. As you can see here a, and we got a here, so we will write a one time and we will add the power together. Again b, so we will write b one time and add the power. In this way we are going to do this questions. You can see question 8. It is written here 5a minus 1. You have to multiply this by 7a minus 3. So we will write like this. What we have done, we have multiplied this first term with the first term and then first term with the second term, again second term with the first term and second term with the second term. So finally we will get it as 35a square minus 15 and 7. We will get as 22a plus 3. So this is our final answer. This will not be added or subtracted together now because these are unlike terms, and unlike terms will be kept like this. It will not be solved because it is here, it is a square, it is a here and it is constant here, so it will not be evaluated together now. In similar way we will do rest of the questions. In this also I'll tell you what questions you have to do. Let us do one question. Different type of question is given. Question number 10. In question number 10, the expressions are given as 4x square, y cube, and then another term is given as 5x square y power 5. So we will solve this together first. constant with constant, and then x square into x square into y cube into y power 5. So here we will get minus 20. Then we will write x, and then power will be added here. X is here, x is here, so we will write x one time, and then we will add the power. It will be 4. Then y power 3 and power 5, so 3 plus 5 is 8. Now here in the question some more information is given. It is given that the value of x is 2 and value of y is 1. So we will write the value of x is given as 2, so 2 power 4, and value of y is given as 1. So finally it will be minus 20 into 2 power 4 will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2s are 16 into 1. Anything to the power 1 will be 1. So this will be 16 2s are 32 minus sign. This is our final answer. So student, these questions are very easy to solve. Once you understand and practice it, you will just solve all the question very easily. The next part is the division part. We'll just learn to see the division. In division, what we do, suppose a question is given 70 a cube by 14 a square. So we will just write 70 here upon 14 and a cube upon a square. So we will just cancel in this. We will write in denominator and numerator form, and we will cancel. 14 ones are 14, 5s are, and then here a square will be cancelled with a cube and a will left. Or you can do like this, 70 upon 14 a cube a square. You can write here 5 and then a cube minus 2. This will be 5 a power 1. We will not write 1. This is our answer. Student, here you can see a square is given and a cube is given, so a square will be cancelled with a cube and 1a will be left. Or you can do like this, you can write a 3 times and then you can write a 2 times and you can cancel it. Again you can see 1a is left, so we got the answer. So you have 3 choices, you can solve it with any one of the choice. So this way we do division. This is the way we divide in the question. You can see question number 7, 15 a cube b power 4 is divided by minus a cube b power 2. Again minus sign is given, a power 4 b cube minus 5 a cube b power 2 minus 25 a cube b 6 will be divided by, so we will write like this, and then we will solve it. It will be 3, a cube will be cancelled. Here you can see it is b2 b4, so b2 will be left in the numerator part. Then this will be plus 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, so we will get 2, and minus minus will be plus, and here we will get, it is a4 here and a3 here, so it will be cancelled and we'll get a here and b here. Again minus minus will be plus. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. This will be cancelled. Here b power 4 will be left, so it will be 5 b power 4. This is our final answer. In this exercise also I'll tell you what questions to do. I will give you some solved problems which you have to do it at the copy. This exercise we will continue in the next video. Thank you, class.